Daydreams about the wrong people, malintent don't shine and see through. Can't love you or find love myself, but nobody else know me like me do. He knew God on the throne wants me to behave like a man when the demons try to reach who me. I could do that, but I need you. Trying never on this journey to the heat proof. Daydreams about the wrong scenarios with the wrong people like the dude Camp Harry hoes. Enemies thought that we were enemies not, so I think it these die like tricks and these plots go bad. Get offended later on, get mad like something gon' change when they feel this rage and it's sad. Little things break open my skin, so much ain't go within, boiling from the midst, take a drag. Daydreams about the wrong gets in a heart cold in the dark, so I imagine my winner. My fingers reek of the smell of all of these pennies spending niggas if it wanted to my pockets empty. Never worked so hard, they be poor so filthy. Skin set and sweat, so I bet on success, but I ain't there yet, so it all feels iffy. When fake ones know that's a bad time to tempt me. Daydreams about these better days, like one of these days I'm really gonna make it. To the humans who crossed me, but glad I showed mercy. Had it not been for God, I would've taken it. So respect me, I'm a king amongst ignorant peasants. I could be destroyed by what you said, good thing I don't let it. First of all, understand my dilemma. Plan to get by, I'll be the man to remember. Giving orgasms that last for the span of December. With a fan base that no rapper can dismember. I had a knowledge and a power for the gold. We worry about the new cause we ain't grateful for the old. My ancestors were kings and all the legends were told. How my bloodline was strong with pharaohs. Rise into the infinite. I experience not all things last forever. Not all things are good. I just hope it's understood that only impure things perish better. Get a grip and please don't trip because you're scared of the truth and you can let your pie flip. I think one day we can see eye to eye, pimp. Put our internet together to create a time rift. That's all you get.